Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another uh, Volkswagen Rialta Winnebago. There's like EuroVan. This cluster is in all those models. This is a 1999, I think, sent by Henry Lang. Uh, yeah, Henry Lang and his son Mike. Tara, I think is the mother. Let me just read the information. I think I have the folder open here. Give me just 1 second. I need to address that so they know that this is their instrument cluster. Yeah, Henry Lang. That's as far as the communication that I will share. Um, the instrument cluster is erratic. They wanted to send that over for repairs. This is, again, for them to see that this is their instrument cluster. That's the sticker behind right here. So I'm just going to get you guys to see that that is indeed the same instrument cluster. I already repaired it. I'm about to turn it on. I like the sound as the motor's finding its position. We just key on. This one needs to be adjusted a little bit. So all I need to do is just move the needle just a little bit. Um, Ignition on. We have all the lights. I put all the bulbs new and everything. So that is all good. Let's put the temperature in the fuel gauge to move. And now we got a very good response. I'll show you the pictures of the repair after we do the test. So those are working indeed perfectly. I will come up in temperature and then this two should blink and it is doing it. Oh, you know what? I may move that in. This was off, so I'm gonna have to reset it. That's always very important, especially when I do not have the full cover on and I leave it on, I mean off, in order to do the adjustment. But yeah, so this is working good. I'm going to let it come up. Now it's come down and all off. That's going to take a little. Perfect. Well, actually, it's good. All right, so let me make speed 10 miles per hour based again on my settings, and I'm going to put the RPMs into 1000, and that is perfectly. So now let's go over to the pictures while this one is still there. So somebody attempt to do some repairs on this before. Didn't quite do a good job. A lot of soldering, broken bed capacitors, even the ones the whoever did this used it was very cheap ones, and they're still leaking again. As you see, remove the motors to go under it because it was in this area still corrosion from the acid. These are hydrolytic capacitors and they leak. You have to remove all this in order to access and clean the board really well. I take a special tool to clean and special chemicals to clean. As you can see now, everything is nice and clean, and I'm talking about all these also. Then I apply a clear coat after to protect, because that's very important. Otherwise, you're going to expose everything and it will get corroded. The next picture is still through the repairs, and then this is again the solder. This is still some flux, which obviously I clean, and then I apply a clear coat on the components to make sure that this is protected. And these are the connections. So the tachometer right now is doing at 50 hertz, 1000 RPMs. This is for me to make sure that the response on the cluster is correct. The next that I have is also, if we see the bottom, we got 14 kilohertz, should be 10 miles an hour, and that's exactly what I'm providing here. So I'm going to go over to 29 hertz, and that should go up to 20 miles per hour. So 29 hertz. Gotta go easy on this needle, is a little weird, but yeah, wait, so we got 20 miles an hour, and that goes 29, 30 hertz. Yeah, you see it's changing, but yeah, that's perfectly. I'm going to go into 100 hertz on the RPMs. For this, I gotta do a change in here. Just changing the. So we got now 2000 RPMs, which is perfect. I will go down again to um, 1000. That's all I want to because otherwise I will do the full test but out of the video, because otherwise I start doing a beep because it's not engaging. It's too high RPMs for no idle. I mean no gear selected. I'm a little tired today. Okay, let me go over to 44 hertz. 44 hertz should be 30 miles an hour. Trying to get to it. It's a little, these dials for some reason is a little glitchy. All right, 44 hertz. And we can see we got the 30 miles an hour. That jump in the middle is because of the signal that I'm providing, but everything is working good. The rest of the lights, blinkers, and the high beam that is in there all working. So I can turn that off. I can bring then the speed down to the minimum of my simulator is 10 miles an hour. So that's why I know it's perfectly set up for that. And I record those. So now I can turn this off. All needles will back to normal. Again, I'm going to have to readjust that one because it's not in the perfect position. But I will do that after I close the video. All right, so again, power off, ignition, and then I can remove the signals to make sure they are indeed going to 0, 0, 0. So this is a little higher, so I need to adjust. This one is good. This one is good. That's actually not so bad. I think that's actually perfect. So the only one that needs to be adjusted is this one. But again, I will do that after the video. So Henry and Mike, your instrument cluster is ready. I will be sending you an email or call you to contact you for payment, and then send this your way as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your business. And all the people that has Rialtas in EuroVan clusters, you want to get a repair, I think this is your best place to send. I have all parts in stock and I know what I'm doing, and I'm showing you all customers your instrument cluster working 100% before it's being sent to you. So it's no guessing if it's working or not. You will see it. It's all good. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. And as we said in Costa Rica, pura vida. See you next time. Bye bye.